Hello, this is Anthony with Telenyze. Today I'll show you how to get started with our app. For this video, you'll need the Telenyze reader and your smartphone or tablet. Now it's time to plug in the Telenyze reader to the OBD port on our car. It's usually by your legs in the driver's seat. I'll go ahead and plug it in here. Here's the Telenyze. And it plugs in. You'll know that it's connected when the lights turn on. Now that we've installed the Telenyze app, it's time to sign up for an account and register our car. Once we have the OBD device plugged in and the car started, it's time to select the Telenyze reader from the list. You'll be able to find it where it says OBD II. Once it's selected, we can go ahead and pull up the dashboard. At this point, it tells about the health of the car. Now that the device is loaded and we're at our dashboard, we can see that a few issues have been found. Pressing the top button there, we can see the status as far as the performance and the fault codes that have been found. We'll go ahead and press here to find out more information, and then we found 3 fault codes. P0174, system 2 lean, and so on. If we like any additional information about any of these fault codes, let's click Find More. At this point, we'll get a description and then some information from the internet on how we might be able to fix it and how much it will cost to get repaired.